Hi, to change grid size on the Google Pixel 9a, as a first step, open Settings and in the menu search for the Wallpaper and Style tab. Then tap on Home Screen and scroll all the way down, and then you'll see App Grid. So by default, you will see that it is set to 4 by 5, which means that you can fit 4 apps in one line, and totally you can get 5 lines on your home screen. You can make icons smaller by selecting 5 by 5, and now you can fit 5 apps in one line. If you want to make icons bigger, then you can pick 4 by 4, which will look like that, or 3 by 3, which will look like this. And the last option is 2 by 2, and this is the biggest option possible. So to select something, just tap on it and changes will be immediately applied. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.